In our previous lesson, we have talked about what is seam. In this lesson, we will talk about different types of seam. I'm going to explain some basic types of seams. A French seam. A French seam will give you a beautiful and neat, clean finish without the need of any overlock. We don't need any overlock in this. It is great for the mid-weight fabrics. Second is double seam. This seam is just like a plain seam, but we have to sew an extra seam with the plain seam. It will provide a stronger seam for fabrics. It keeps fabric from fraying. Look at this. Double seam is used. It's also used in jeans. This is also a double seam. Next is flat felled seam. This is a flat felled seam. It is extremely strong seam that is often used for items like jeans. It covers the fabric raw edges and keep the seam flat. Look at this one. This is a flat felled seam. Next is lapped seam. A lapped seam is usually used to protect the edge of the fabric from fraying. Also a lapped seam. This is a welt seam. It is also frequently used in jeans. It is not enclosed and the raw edges of the seam, like this. Raw edges of the seam fabric is visible. This is a welt seam. This is a piped seam.